Hi Year 1, it's Miss Scott here. Today we're going to have a look at rhyming words. Now, did you notice when we started reading the What the Ladybird Heard on Holiday book that lots of the words were rhyming words? I'm going to read this page again and let's see if you can hear the rhyming words. One fine day in the middle of May, the ladybird went on holiday. She flew to the town to see the sights, the streets and the shops and the bright, bright lights. She saw the parks and the palace too, then off she flew to visit the zoo. Could you hear the rhyming words in the story? Super! Now let's go over what rhyming words are and what it means if words rhyme. Rhyming words are words that have the same or similar sound endings. They sometimes use the same phonic sound at the end. Can you see how the words May and holiday have the same A sound at the end? May and holiday rhyme. And that's the same for the words sights and lights. They have the same ending. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the word May and I'm going to think of the rhyming words. What words rhyme with May? Let's have a think. I'm going to write May down on my piece of paper here. Now because we're using May and referring to a month of the year, I know that I need to use a capital letter. So I'm going to use a capital M. And then I'm using the A, may I play sound. A, may I play. Now let's think of words that rhyme with May. Well, we know already that there's one word in the book and that's holiday. 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 O-O-E-A. Holiday. Right, let's think of another word. Can you think of another word? What about say? Say. Are you going to say something? What did the ladybird say? A. Say. Can you think of another word that rhymes with May? So far we have holiday, say. What about way? Which way is the shop? Have you managed to think of another word? We have holiday, say, way, may. I know another one. It's a little bit similar to say. The word stay. Can you see so far that all of our words use the A, may I play sound at the end? Now that's really important because rhyming is focusing on the end sound. Just say if I use my word rain, which uses the A snail in the rain sound. Rain, although it uses an A sound, doesn't rhyme with May because the end sound in rain is a N, rain, and therefore it doesn't rhyme. One of our areas in class is the clay area. The clay. Can you sound the word clay for me, please? K-O-A. Clay. K-O-A. clay. Clay. What about... Now, a lot of us do this, but a lot of us do it to a different God. We pray to different people. The word is pray. Pray. P-R-A. Pray. Now again, so far all of our words are using the A may I play sound. I can think of a tricky word that rhymes with may, but doesn't use my A may I play sound. Can you think of a tricky word? The tricky word is they. They. How do I spell my tricky word they? It's looking a little bit like my tricky word the. But similar to the ending, I need a y on the end. They. Now this doesn't use my A may I play sound, but it still uses an A sound. They may clay. The next word we're going to look at is the word zoo, again taken from our story here. And from the story we know that the word to rhymes with the word zoo. Let's see what other words we can think of. I'm just going to give you a few and let's see how many you can come up with without me. If you want to pause the video now and think of your own, that would be great. But if not, that's all right. I'm going to give us another few examples. Zoo, to. Now this one uses a different oo sound. It's the word chew. Chew. Chew your food. Another word that uses the same oo sound is the word flew. Or oo. The ladybird flew to the zoo. It rhymes. Another tricky word could be the word two, but this time I'm thinking of my number 2. Two. The next word I'm thinking of is one of our question words. It's not what, it's not why, or how, or when, or where. I know, it's the question word who. Again, another tricky word. Who. I'm going to stop there, but there are lots of more rhyming words. I'd love for you to sit now and think of more words that rhyme with the word zoo. I hope you've enjoyed this little session today. Bye!